guys, Adam here. Today we're going to be installing our M18 tool holder on our tool wall. It's pretty easy. You're just going to need this tool holder that we decided to throw on the website so you can buy it, or we have it for free on our Maker World if you want to download it and print it yourself. You're going to need a 1/4-inch drill bit and a drill. You're also going to need a Phillips head to tighten down those bolts into the wall, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy install. We're using a number 6 drywall anchor here with a Phillips head screw. Easiest way to mark on the wall is to take off this drywall anchor, push it up against the wall, make an indent, and then drill in that spot. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Grab my tool, slide it in there so I can see what spacing I need. So right about there, it's probably our best bet. I'm gonna push into the wall, create some little divots here. Now I've got 2 divots in the wall. You can see there and there. Gonna go ahead and drill those out with a 1/4-inch drill bit and pop in our drywall anchors. Push those in. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my Phillips and tighten that down. I'm just using a number 1 Phillips on a ratchet here to tighten it down. Nice and sturdy there. Take our battery out. Perfect. So as you can see, excuse my mess here, but we have the tool tipped away from the wall at about a 5-degree angle. Easy to get your hand around here and grab. Got my mess there, but we'll clean that up later. Perfect.